Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 5 Mark II, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, we'll need to open up the standalone contacts app, which you can see right over here. So tap on it. Let's skip signing in. And from here you want to tap on the three bars and go to settings, where at the bottom you should see import option. From here select that you want to import from SIM card, confirm that, and it will open up all the contacts that are on that SIM card. And as you can see, I have only 4, and by default they will all be selected, assuming none of them are already on the phone. If some of those contacts would be on your phone, it will basically recognize the number and gray it out and not allow you to select it once more. But from here you can deselect contacts that you don't want, for example, like so. And once you have everything selected that you want, tap on the check mark. It will give you a message how many contacts were imported, and if we go back you should see them right over here. And that is basically how you would move your contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.